Stop wasting your money. You're about to choose the next-gen smart glasses that will replace your phone forever. But if you make one mistake, you'll be left with nothing but an expensive toy. I'm breaking down the top 10 models on the market, from hidden technical flaws to battery lives that will leave you stranded. If you buy AI glasses just to watch movies, you'll regret it, or vice versa. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which model fits your budget and your needs. But before we start, I have a quick favor to ask. If you could like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, it would mean the world to me. I really need your support, and the continuation of content like this depends entirely on it. Thanks in advance. If you're ready, I'm exposing the best and worst of the market, one by one. Let's kick things off with number 1. At number 1, we have the undisputed most popular kit on the market right now, Ray-Ban Meta. The price sits at around $329. The biggest and most crucial pro of these glasses is that from the outside, they look like ordinary, incredibly stylish Ray-Bans. When you put them on, nobody looks at you like you're some kind of cyborg. Plus, the camera on this thing does a spectacular job. Just last week, while walking down the street, I shot amazing high-res videos without ever taking my phone out of my pocket. You can also converse with the Meta AI like a personal assistant or even a friend. But let's talk about its biggest flaw. It has no screen. Yes, you heard that right. You see absolutely nothing in your vision, not even a single notification light. All interaction is purely audio-based. Personally, on a device this smart with this much potential, I look for at least a tiny information display in the corner of my eye. Do you think it makes sense to pay this much for a screenless device just to talk to AI and take photos? Let's discuss in the comments. Moving to number 2, we encounter the Xreal 1 Pro. With a $599 price tag, this device is built on a completely opposite philosophy to the Ray-Ban we just talked about. It doesn't have a camera recording the world or a smart AI assistant to chat with you. But the moment you put these glasses on, you're face-to-face with a massive 170-inch cinematic screen floating in thin air. Thanks to its high refresh rate, lying in bed at night watching movies on a giant screen or playing your favorite console game is an incredible joy. It's practically addictive. However, on the flip side of the coin, there is a con that drives me crazy. You have to be tethered to your phone or computer with a thick cable at all times. In a time when wireless technologies are so advanced, that cable clutter hanging down from my head incredibly restricts my freedom of movement and really annoys me sometimes. With wireless freedom out there, do you think that cable is worth putting up with just for a giant screen? At number 3 is the RayNeo X2 Pro, which personally turns my sci-fi fantasies into reality. It comes in at a price of $499. These glasses literally take the translator out of your pocket and put it right in front of your eyes. Why am I making such a bold claim? Because when you travel abroad or when someone in front of you speaks a foreign language, real-time Spanish subtitles instantly start scrolling across the lenses. I recently read a foreign article in my own language instantly just by looking at it. For travelers and those facing language barriers, this is practically priceless magic. But to be honest, the designers failed a bit here. The frames are still quite bulky by today's standards and put a serious weight on your nose. If you plan to wear them all day while spending long hours at the computer like me, you're guaranteed to come home with a slight neck ache in the evening. I'm not sure if that amazing translation feature is worth the wait. Coming in at number 4, we are greeted by the Even Realities G2, the pinnacle of aesthetics and elegance. At $649, it's one of the pricier options on our list, but it's absolutely the only destination for those who say they don't want to look like a technological freak on the street and want to keep their style intact. It has such a thin, light, and elegant structure that when you're sitting at a table with friends, no one even realizes you're wearing smart glasses, let alone reading your messages at that exact moment. It projects incoming notifications, the weather, and navigation arrows onto the lens in a very transparent, easy-on-the-eyes shade of green. Everything sounds great, right? But its biggest flaw reveals itself on sunny days. The screen brightness is unfortunately very inadequate. If you're walking outside on a bright summer day, trying to read that transparent text on the screen turns into absolute torture. Would you sacrifice screen performance just to look stylish? In the 5th spot on our list is a beast that will get gamers' hearts racing and literally fill their dreams, the R1 model, born from the collaboration of ASUS ROG and Xreal. It has a quite serious price tag of $699, but guys, we are talking about the world's first smart glasses with a 240 Hz refresh rate, zero latency, the image flows like butter, and the colors literally pop. You can plug in your handheld console and play competitive games for hours in bed. However, this level of high performance comes with a very bitter bill. The device's power consumption is incredibly massive. It practically drains the battery of the phone or console it's connected to, forcing you to carry around a giant power bank. Plus, it has a design that's way too aggressive to wear outside, looking exactly like a piece of hardcore gaming gear. Would you fork over this budget just to push the limits at home?
At number 6 is the Oakley Meta Vanguard, which will highly excite sports enthusiasts and adrenaline junkies. Its price is set at $449. If you run professionally or as an amateur, or if you mountain bike, being able to see your heart rate, speed, calories burned, and route just out of the corner of your eye without ever looking away from the road provides truly priceless safety and focus. Furthermore, with its IP67 certification, it's completely resistant to water, sweat, and dust. You never have to fear it breaking down while camping or running in the rain. So what's the downside? The device's daily life integration outside of sports is very weak. Meaning, when you finish your workout and sit at a cafe with friends or work in the office, the features it offers you are very limited. Do you think it's a logical move to invest this much in glasses where you only get full efficiency during your workout times?
We've reached number 7, the Viture XR, which blew my mind with its image quality. The purpose of this $549 device is very clear: to give you a private movie theater experience wherever you go, even when flying economy class on a plane. The device uses magnificent micro OLED panels manufactured by Sony, and the blacks are so deep, the colors so vibrant that you might want to throw out the TV in your living room when you get home. It promises the clearest, sharpest image on the market for watching movies and shows. But just as every rose has its thorn, this one has a very obvious weak point: audio quality. Its built-in speakers are so tinny and lacking in bass that they completely kill the soul of that massive high-quality image. Because of this, you always have to use these glasses paired with high-quality Bluetooth earbuds. Do you think the image quality makes you forget about the hassle of extra headphones? At number 8 is the Rokid AI Glasses, positioned as an absolute price-to-performance beast. With its $399 price tag, it's quite ambitious considering its features. Outwardly, it looks very similar to the Ray-Ban Meta at the top of our list, but it has a much bigger advantage over it. It houses a small but functional information display on its lens. Thanks to its built-in camera and AI integration, you can walk out onto the street and it instantly shows you the price of a product you're looking at, when a historic building was built, or the species of a plant right on that screen. I absolutely loved the feeling of exploring the world while testing this device. But let me warn you up front, the software ecosystem is still very fresh and lags behind its competitors. It occasionally causes annoying freezes while navigating through menus, and update support rolls out a bit slowly. Would you give a chance to this device, which has very high potential but requires a bit of patience?
Number 9 is the Solos AirGo 3, which surprised me the most with its lightness. At $249, it's one of the most accessible models on our list that hurts the wallet the least. Let me say right off the bat, This device doesn't have a camera recording the world or any kind of screen to show you things. It operates entirely on voice and AI focus. It has seamless integration with ChatGPT. You can talk to yourself while walking down the street, dictate your emails, and ask complex questions. Plus, it's the lightest smart glasses in the world. By the 10th minute of wearing them, you completely forget you have a marvel of technology on your face. It's a fantastic and comfortable alternative, especially for those who have to wear prescription glasses. But the absolute lack of a screen and camera brings this question to my mind. Should we really call this a smart glass? Ultimately, it doesn't seem much different from an advanced Bluetooth headset hidden inside a frame. Am I wrong?
And we close our list at number 10 with the 4th generation Amazon Echo frames. Carrying a $269 price tag, these glasses are the best friend of those who build their lives around the Alexa ecosystem and use plenty of smart assistants at home. Being able to just whisper to turn on the lights at home, start the AC, or quietly listen to your long incoming messages without ever looking at your phone screen while returning from work provides truly immense practicality. However, when you hold the device in your hands and put it on your face, the design unfortunately feels quite cheap and plastic. It absolutely lacks that premium from the future vibe and weight of its other competitors on our list. If you're already living fully tied into a smart home ecosystem, it makes your life much easier. But if you're an average user outside of that, it might be a waste of your money. Do you think it makes sense to get locked into one brand's ecosystem just for these conveniences?
All right, guys, that wraps up our top 10 models. The bottom line is this: you either choose a massive screen or an all-knowing AI assistant. My personal favorite leans towards the sleek AI glasses that seamlessly blend into everyday life. But what's your pick? A giant screen or a smart assistant? Let's meet in the comments. I promise I'll be reading and replying to every single one. Putting this video together and honestly reviewing these devices took a lot of time. If you found it helpful, the biggest support you can give me is to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Growing the Metaverse Planet family depends entirely on you. I'm Ugu, stay tech savvy, and I'll catch you later.